Hello everyone, this is Crypto Maximalist. Welcome back to another video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and get involved if you like the content. We're currently running a giveaway for those who are liking our videos, so give the video a like if you want to be entered into that giveaway. So we're just taking a look at Verasity here, and as we can see, looking like it has come down and formed a little bit of another range here, as we said it probably would. You can see the previous range box that we've drawn in here has actually played out kind of to perfection, really, hasn't it? If you look carefully at what we've been seeing here, we've kind of trickled to the downside quite a lot here, haven't we? For Verasity, you know, in and around that previous level of structure here, where we've just been trading, you can see trickling to the downside in that area, starting to lose momentum though and volume to the downside, and then we did have a pretty decent bullish candle to the upside yesterday for Verasity, coming up, retesting, you know, this previous level of support as resistance here, and also the 20 EMA there on the daily. If we look at the hourly, you can see pretty much exactly what's happened for Verasity. Obviously coming down here, retesting support. We try and get a bit of an overextension in this area here, but realistically, you know, there's so much seller exhaustion for Verasity and a lot of altcoins right now, and you can see what happened. It had a big, you'd probably say short squeeze, I'd probably say, to the upside here, where we've come up, ran pretty much perfectly up into this area here at the top of the range that we did mark, this previous level of support as resistance here. And now looking like, you know, on the hourly, we've come back down, retesting some levels here after a huge gargantuan pump really in one go. We're currently retesting the 20 EMA here as support, and probably, you know, you're probably expecting a little bit of a bounce to the upside. Now that we're, you know, 50% retracement from this big pump here, you'd probably expect a little bit of buying support here, as it looks like we have, you know, for the moment at least, we have kind of bottomed out in this area, looking like there is quite a lot of resistance to another downside move at this level here. So it'll be interesting to see what happens next for Verasity. Really not much to say apart from the fact that, you know, it is still in a downtrend essentially, although as we've always said, and we'll continue to say, these bullish divergences are looking very, very tasty indeed. If you're looking at this from a macro perspective, you know, you can clearly see the lower lows on the price action, these higher lows on the RSI, that momentum to the downside here decreasing massively. There's a huge divergence on the momentum of the MACD as well, just like we had up here, with higher highs on the price action, lower highs on the RSI, and, you know, you get that big move to the downside. We've got the opposite happening here, and there's no reason why we couldn't see a big move to the upside, in our opinion, for a lot of cryptos once they do start to show signs of life. So very simply for Verasity here, looking like it is just in a range right now, and until we see a break of the range, we will just be trading that. So our targets locally, if we roll over, we'll probably retest this low again down here at around that 1/5 of a cent level, 1/5 of a cent level there for Verasity, or if we're coming up to here, that 1/3 of a cent level, again, probably most likely to be tested in our opinion, maybe to get, you know, a bit of resistance form there before, you know, ranging again. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to support the channel. Grab yourself some free money bonuses, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.